Hello, beautiful soul sisters. Today, I wanted to talk about how to dermaplane or use one of our face razors. I know that this can be a little bit scary and nerve-wracking to think you're gonna put a razor on your face, but it's actually a very simple thing to do, and it can be wonderful for your skin as well as an exfoliation technique. So what I like to do, these are going to be able to be used all over your face. The blade is nice and sharp, but if you do it right, it will not cut you. So one way I like to do it is I pull my skin down and kind of make it tight. I angle the razor. I never go straight on. I give it a little bit of an angle, and then I go in downward motions. Now, I get little stubborn hairs on my lip and then underneath my chin. I go against the hair. So again, I pull my skin, make it nice and tight, and then I go in upwards motions since my hair grows down. I can do that all over my face. These are also great little blades to trim up your eyebrows. If you have those stubborn eyebrows hairs in the middle of this, you can swipe it to the side. I'm gonna do a little demo right here. So here's my arm, here's the blade. It's angled, like I said, and I'm just going in downward motions. I wish you guys could see all the peach fuzz that I literally just got off. That is crazy. These can be used anywhere. However, this blade is not made to be sufficient to shave something like a full leg or something like that. Keep in mind, these are disposables. So after you use them 3 or 4 times on your face, you want to dispose of it and get a new one. You don't want that blade to get dull because then you do have the chance of adding a little nick or cutting yourself. It's very simple to use. Again, go in an angle and go in little brush motions like that. And you're gonna exfoliate your skin. This is a great way to get all those little baby hairs off. And then your foundation is going to blend easier. It's gonna go on easier. It's great for your face. It gets rid of all of those dead skin cells. Let us know if you have any questions, and we have some great face razors to offer. So all you have to do is click that link.